Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how often Emma updates your financial data. Financial data update frequency on Emma. The Emma Financial Management app does not update your bank accounts in real time. Instead, it is designed to sync your account data on a regular basis. The exact frequency of this automatic synchronization depends on your Emma plan. On-demand syncing. Users on the Ultimate and Pro plans have the additional option to perform on-demand syncs. This allows them to manually initiate a data refresh whenever they need the most current information. Intended use. Emma is best used as a financial tool for budgeting and money management by checking your accounts at regular intervals rather than relying on it for moment-to-moment, real-time tracking. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.